Welcome to Mr. Lacey's Phonics. What you're going to need for this lesson is a piece of paper and something to write with. Remember, parents, feel free to pause this video at any time if your child needs any extra time. Our sound today is sh, 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 sh. Have a go at saying that after me. Sh. And one last time, shh. And we're going to hide our sound in a pack of cards of sounds we already know. F, f, z, z, qu, ch, sh. We're going to hide it one more time. J, v, x, w, y, l, s, d, k, o, a, l, sh. Let's have a look at some words with this sound in it. Ship, ship, ship. A ship that sails on the 7 seas. Have a go at writing ship on your piece of paper now. Fish, fish. Fish. In the sea there are lots and lots of fish. Have a go at writing fish on your piece of paper now. Shop, shop, shop. You might go to the shop to get food. Have a go at writing shop on your piece of paper now. Shut, shut, shut. The shop might be shut. Have a go at writing shut on your piece of paper now. Wish, wish, wish. You might make a wish. Have a go at writing wish on your piece of paper now. Cash, cash, cash. You might wish for cash. Have a go at writing cash on your piece of paper now. Now we're going to have a look at some high frequency words. These are words we read more often when we're reading. To, to. I'm going to somewhere. Have a go at writing to on your piece of paper now. She. She is a girl. Have a go at writing she on your piece of paper now. Now we're going to have a look at some sentences with all of these words in it. She, has, a, wish. Wish. She has a wish. She has a wish. Have a go at writing she has a wish on your piece of paper now. The shop. Shop is shut. Shut. The shop is shut. The shop is shut. Have a go at writing the shop is shut on your piece of paper now. And remember to include your punctuation. A ship, ship, to get, fish, fish. A ship to get fish. A ship to get fish. Have a go at writing a ship to get fish on your piece of paper now. Remember to include your punctuation. Well done everybody, and I hope to see you here again soon for some more phonics.